Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put oil in your Volvo XC60. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine has cooled for at least 10 minutes. This allows all the oil to drain back into the oil pan, giving you an accurate reading. Next, locate the oil dipstick and filler cap under the hood. Knowing their position saves time and ensures you are ready for the next steps. To check your oil, pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth and reinsert it completely. Pull it out again to observe the oil level. The oil should fall between the minimum and maximum marks. If it's below the minimum, it's time to add some oil. Always ensure you are getting an accurate reading before proceeding. Now unscrew the oil filler cap, typically marked with an oil can symbol. Place a funnel into the opening to prevent spills. Slowly pour in about 1/4 of a quart of the recommended engine oil. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then recheck the dipstick. Repeat this process, adding small amounts until the oil level is within the safe range. Always consult your Volvo XC60 owner's manual for the exact oil type and viscosity recommended for your specific model. Overfilling your engine with oil can cause serious damage, so always add slowly and recheck. Finally, remember to dispose of any used oil properly at an authorized recycling center to protect the environment. Regular checks keep your engine running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.